Get ready for some exciting news. India has clinched the U-19 Cricket World Cup title. In this video, we'll dive into the details of India's phenomenal performance in the U-19 Cricket World Cup final against England. India's under-19 cricket team secured a massive victory, dominating the final match to bring home the coveted title. The match was filled with thrilling moments, incredible catches, and masterful batting that kept fans on the edge of their seats. India's batting lineup displayed extraordinary resilience and power, setting the stage for a memorable win. A huge standout was Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who played an unforgettable innings, smashing an incredible 175 runs to anchor India's total. Thanks to this stellar performance, India set a highly challenging target for the English side, putting immense pressure on them from the start. When England came out to bat, they faced a disciplined and aggressive Indian bowling attack, determined to defend the massive total. India's bowlers executed their plans perfectly, maintaining tight lines and lengths, not giving the English batsmen any room to breathe. England struggled against the relentless pressure, losing wickets at regular intervals and failing to build any significant partnerships. The atmosphere was electric as the final wicket fell, confirming India's complete domination in the tournament. India ultimately triumphed over England by a massive 100 runs, a fitting end to their exceptional run in the World Cup. The team celebrated wildly on the field, a moment of pure joy and pride for every player, coach, and Indian fan worldwide. This victory marks another milestone in Indian cricket history and highlights the incredible talent pipeline in the country. The dedication and teamwork shown by this young team is an inspiration, proving that hard work truly pays off on the global stage. If you enjoyed this highlight reel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting cricket updates and sports content.